Fucking hella raining right now. Feel like a weatherman right now. Go see the creek. Not high yet. By the end of the night, I'll probably be up to where that end of the green grass is. Is there no chain on this thing? Nice. I would go down, but my freaking shoes don't have no grip, and I don't want to fall. Maybe I should close this too. Yeah. Whew. Ugh. It's crazy though. It's hella pouring. I hope it hails. If it hails, I'll come back out here and film. Till then, peace.